Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today we are solving the LeetCode daily problem. This problem number 58 and problem is based on the string. This is the length of last word. Uh, Description of problem is given a string yes consisting of word and space. Return the length of a last word in the string. In this problem, we will see the example number one for first for this. Yes is equal to hello world and last word last word length will be 5. For example, we are just saying the WORLD. For this, there is a count will be 5. And in this example, we are the spaces for in first cases. But our problem say that you will be neglect that spaces. This is the for of non-space character only. If our space will be found, then if this will be neglect and only last word we will length for last word length will be 4. In this in example number 3 there is string yes is Luffy is still uh, joy boy. In this is a joy boy length will be 3 6 and we will return that length will be 6. For solving this question we are two approaches. In first approach we will simply approach is a string stream. But why string stream? Because of in problem say is a yes consisting of word and space and return the last word. We will see the words and space. If this will be found in LeetCode, we will close your eyes and directly use string stream. But why? What is a string stream? String stream is nothing but we will just separate our string and uh, it is mainly for use for the tokenization and parsing purpose. What is a tokenization parsing? In this example, we will see there is a one total string. Okay, but our problem say non-space character. For this, our this space will be neglected. And in this example, we are just simply extract that token and put it in our vector. For that purpose, we will use a string stream class. Okay. First we will see the solution for this. First we will declare the string temporary. Okay. In this stream we will just ss and all in this yes and we will declare one vector and vector of string st will be there is a name for that vector. And this is a while loop is very important. For this while loop we use because of the we will extract that string and simply add in our pushback into the our vector. For extraction we are using this extraction operator in string stream. We are just simply extract that word in temp and our st dot pushback will be temp. For example, in this case our hello and word, these are the two separated string in our vector. For this we are simply return that st dot back dot size. St dot back is nothing but the two function we are using in vector. It is st dot front and st dot back. For example, in this example, st dot front will be hello and st dot back will be word. Okay, we are simply return that st dot back dot size. Okay, and our answer will be in this case will be 5 and in this case will be 4 and in this case will be 6. Okay, we are simply run that code. Okay, it is accepted. Okay, but interviewer say you don't use any stl function vector and string stream for solving this question, then you are thinking like a brute force approach and without using any stl function. Okay, in this case we are simply see hello world. Okay, in this case we are simply try our for loop from last index of our string and count will be counter. In this case first our d will be 1, l will be 2, r will be 3, o will be 4 and w will be 5. Okay, if space will be found then we are simply return that string. Okay, but in example number 2 our first character is string, first character will be space. In this case we are see that if space will be found then you are neglect that space and first you found the character. Okay, in this case for this we use a one if else condition. In if our count is equal to 0 and our first character will be space, then you are simply neglect that space, and our for loop will be continue for further process. Okay, we are simply see that code. You will understand what I want to say. Okay, uh, in this case we are not using any stl function, string stream, vector. It is a simple logic. Okay, and for this will be our for loop will be iterate from that last index will be d. Okay, we are uh, simply one answer is this is a counter of our length, and if s of I is not equal to space, then we will simply count that answer. Okay, in this case d 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in this case this will be 5, but after that space will be found. If space will be found and answer is not equal to 0, then simply return that answer. Okay, in this case our problem will be solved for this example number 1. But in example number 2 there is first will be space. Okay, in this case if our first character will be space, then you will simply neglect that space. For this we use a one condition. See, answer not equal to 0, then only you will return that answer. Okay, uh, this is our solution, and we will simply run that code. Okay, this is accepted, and time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be O of 1, because we use any extra space for solving this question. Okay, in above example our time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be also O of n, because we use our vector for storing all that element. Okay, we are just simply submit that code. Okay, thank you guys.